Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to check how to edit aesthetic motion blur face. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll show you simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. To create the blurry face effect, first open the PicsArt app on your device. Then upload the picture you want to edit from your gallery. Step 2. Once the picture is loaded, go to the Effects section. Step 2. Scroll through the options, select Blur, and then choose Radial Blur. Step 3. Next, tap on the Eraser tool and choose Shapes. From the Shapes menu, select the square shape. Step 4. Now adjust the square to cover your face. Take your time to position it perfectly. Once it's in the right place, press Invert. Step 5, and that's it. This will blur everything around your face while keeping your face untouched. You now have a beautiful and aesthetic motion blur effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more amazing content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.